Alright, today we're going to start on our second lesson on Ohm's Law. This is where we're actually going to incorporate circuits, show you how to draw the circuits, how to draw the resistors, but there is some more formulas we need to know. In a series circuit, that is, the electricity only has one path that it could take. The formula for that is the voltage. We could actually use E or V. The voltage adds up. So the voltage at resistor 1, the voltage at resistor 2, and so on and so on, that will equal my total resistance. So if I had voltages of 12, 6, and 10, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 10, my total voltage is going to be 28. Alright? So we do the same thing with resistors. That is not going to change either. That's going to be the exact same thing. My resistance is going to add up to be my total resistance. So what we would have in that case was, instead of the E or the V, we have my resistance. So the resistor 1 plus resistor 2 plus resistor 3, so on, equals my total resistance. So if I had a 5 ohm resistor, a 10 ohm resistor, and another 10 ohm resistor, that is going to equal 25 ohms total. Now this is where it starts to get a little trickier, because in a series circuit, the amperage, my total amperage, is equal throughout the total circuit. So at resistor 1, my amperage is going to be the same as my total. At resistor 2, my amperage is going to be the same as the total. So if I have 5 amps at resistor 1, I'm also going to have 5 amps at resistor 2, at resistor 3, and then my total resistance is still going to be 5 amps. The amperage stays the same throughout the entire circuit. Now I'm going to draw a diagram of a circuit. It's actually your first homework assignment, so I'm going to give you the answers. So this value on points for your homework is going to be a little greater than the other ones, because if you watch the video, I'm giving you the answers. So we're going to start off first just drawing a series circuit. So what do I have is, this is my power supply, going to a resistor, going to another resistor. Okay? And according to my diagram here, at resistor 2, it is 20 ohms. At resistor 1, it is 10 ohms. So right now, I only know one thing. I know the resistance. So I can't find the amperage, I can't find the voltage. I need another number. I need another thing. I either need to know the amperage or I need to know the voltage. But in this case, they're giving us a voltage of 90 volts. So what I'm going to have here is, I can find my total resistance because I have my two resistors. So I have resistor 1 and resistor 2. So resistor 1 plus resistor 2, 10 plus 20, my total resistance is going to be 30. So now I know that. So if I know my total resistance is 30, and I know that my voltage, my total voltage is 90, now using Ohm's law, I know E and I know R, I could find I, because E divided by R is going to give me my total. So my total resistance was, or my total amperage. So E divided by R, 90 divided by 30, now I know my amperage is 3. So if I know it's a total of 3 amps, well, I also know at resistor 1 it's 3. At resistor 2 it is 3. Now my voltages, remember my voltages add up. So my total number is 90. So what plus what has to equal 90? So that's the voltage here and the voltage here has to be a total of 90. Remember, if I find two of the three things, I could find that. So right now, I know what I is here. I is 3. And I know what I is here. I is 3. So using Ohm's law, I could find the voltages. I times R equals E. So I times R, so here I'm going to know that the voltage at resistor 1 is 30, because 3 times 10 is 30. And the voltage at resistor 2, 3 times 20 is 60. And then if I add those up just to double check, remember they add up to the total. 60 plus 30 is 90. 60 plus 30 is, right there is my 90. So it is correct. So here's your answers for your first homework assignment. So I valued this much higher than other homework assignments because if you watch this video, I did all the work for you. So if you have any questions on this, just resort back to the video, and it shouldn't be that difficult. That's it.